everybody, and welcome to another Woolly World episode. And in this episode, I am going to be. I went mining last episode, and as you can see, I found something. Can you guess what it is? I'm giving you a clue. It's right in front of my eyes now. Right in front of my eyes. It's a diamond sword, just in case you didn't know. And hello, everybody. Hello, right, just in case you didn't notice, last episode we had a bit of a problem. And all three of them are in Little Pip's thing. Yeah, anyway, we had a little bit of a problem, didn't we? My bin that was down here a few episodes ago, it was made of lava, so it kind of burnt down. The chicken coop, but I got it back on track and it's all okay now. And in this episode, I'm going to be building my other room and finishing off the corridor that needs to be finished. But first, I need to go and get lots and lots and lots of wood, which will just be over here somewhere. Here we go. We can go over to this little bit forest here. It would have been quicker to just jump off my room, but you know, hey ho. And it looks like there's a cave. Nope, it's just water. I was going to say we could go and explore that one next time I need to go mining. I can't seem... Like, there's not a lot of food. I need food because I'm a very hungry sheep, you know. Sometimes I just can't hold it in anymore. So what I'm going to be doing in this episode 2 is I am going to be making a farm. So that means I can make melons. But I think you're only allowed to make melons if you go to a village. And that means going far from my house. So what I need to do is I need to make a map. And that's okay because I have lots of iron and lots of redstone. So I can easily make a compass. And I can make... What do you need to... You need leather to make books. No, how do you make paper? Sugarcane, there we go. We have lots of sugarcane over in that direction. So we have everything we need to make a map, a compass and some paper. First, I'm going to be gathering lots and lots of wood because I'm going to need to be... You need a lot more wood than you expect. So if I just do that and then that. And then I come around here and start mining these. I know that it's just a lot of wood at the moment, but as I go on through the series, I will be going to the Nether and getting lots of Nether Quartz and Nether Rack and Nether things. So it'll look pretty cool, and hopefully I will go to the end and find the Ender Dragon. Let's just one more stack will be okay. I think one more stack. So if we just do this. There we go, and I think that's just about enough. There we go, we have nearly a stack and a half. And there's some sugarcane over there. You can see it. So I'm just going to go over there and get it. So we can make... Oh, I'm in the house. I'm not allowed in the house without shoes. Right, let's go and gather this up and we can make some paper with it. I don't think you need to make it into sugar. I'm not too sure. I don't think you do. So I'm not going to make it into sugar. I don't think you do. I just think you have to... Right, let's go back home. Let's go back to my home. And then we can easily go and make some maps. Let's just hurry up. Here we go. And then we come back. I don't know what other I'm going to be building. I think I might build... There we go, 3 pieces of paper, then we need a compass, so we need to go up into this chest over here. In case you hadn't noticed, the doors are burnt off, but I actually quite prefer it like this. So I'm going to be leaving that without the doors. Here we go, we have... Nope, it's not in here, is it? Oh, it's in this chest in here. There we go, so we have our redstone, and we have plenty of iron on us, and we can just go over here. I have a lot of crafting tables. I seriously don't know why. I don't know why I have lots of crafting tables. Not that deep. Do you need iron all around it? Like that. Oh my gosh, I forgot how you make a compass. Right, is it like oh, I think it's like this. There we go, we have a compass. And then all we need to do is put a compass there and then a map around it. Oh, we need a bit more sugarcane. Do we have any sugarcane in here? I can't see any sugarcane. We gotta go searching for it. Where would there be some sugarcane? Would there be some over here? Let's go and check over here. And if there isn't, see, when you're not looking for sugarcane, it's really easy to find it. But then when you are looking for it, it's really hard to find it. It's really annoying. I don't think we need a lot. I think we just need... Oh, I should have started my own little farm of sugarcanes. Well, that was very silly. Silly of me. Is that snow? No, I thought that was snow. I can't seem to... Let's go and explore my world a bit more, shall we? So it's... I can't find any sugarcane. No, I can't seem to find any over here. So we'll head back in this direction. And then we can find it again. See, what you would have thought is you needed trees. That's the most thing that I thought you would have needed for paper. But if we go over here, we might find a river and we can go and get that river. I don't know. But let's head up here anyway. I'm getting a bit hungry. I think I might need to go and kill some animals. I haven't used this baby yet, have I? I haven't used this sword yet. Let's chuck an egg down. I think if you chuck an egg down below the chicken, it stop moving. Stop moving. Why are you moving away from me? Look, stop. Stop. Right, I'm gonna pick one that's not moving down here, I think. Nope, that just tips the egg. Right, let's do it. Oh, he just pooped an egg because he was just so, you know, happy that I hit him with the egg. This is really annoying me, and that was a fail. I just want to find some sugarcane. There should be lots around here. I really regret it now. I wish I would have started a sugarcane farm at least. We can go and check down here. There's no harm checking over here, is there? And I'm very hungry, so I'm going to have to go and kill this cow over here. I'm so sorry, cow. I'm actually really sorry. If there's more than 3 cows here, then I'll be happy. There's more than 3 cows. So if we just kill this cow... I'm sorry, cow. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. There we go. And then we can go and eat this chicken down here. I'm just awesome. I'm really angry. I can't find any sugarcane anywhere. Ow, that hurt me a lot. I need some food. Why can't you get squid on here? Like, you can eat squid, because you can get squid in real life. I don't know. Oh, that's really frustrated me. I could have made a map. But we don't need that now. We don't need that. Let's just make our little room here. This could be where my farm grows. Yeah, this is gonna be where my farm is. So it's gonna go out here. And along here. Like this. can hear a spider. I need a spider. I need it for I have 2 pieces of string. Wait, let's go and see how many pieces of string do I have. I have 2 there, but then I think I have some in here. No, it's just a false alarm. False alarm, everyone. No, in this episode I was gonna be building my roller coaster. Right. Forget about building our farm or whatever that is. We're gonna be building a lot more, and I think it went like that, and then like that. No, like this then. There we go, and that gives you quite a lot too. So I'm going to be making quite a few of these, quite a few of those. No, it was like that, wasn't it? There we go. It's using quite a lot of my iron, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to smelt what I have in this chest, not in this chest, in this chest, and get to sleep while that's happening. So if we just do that, and that's not going to smelt it all, is it? So if we just separate it, and then here we go, we have more. So we put that in there, and then we put this in there, and then we shut this door, and we can go to sleep while everything is smelting and be happy. So there we go, we're going to sleep. Oh my god, I had the craziest dream. That was a really nice sleep though. I had a dream that I was a pilot and I was flying this pink plane. Everything has to be pink in my dream, just in case you hadn't noticed that. I think it goes like that. No, is there sticks that go either side? No. How do you make... Is it like that, and then like that, and then like this? No, is it 2 pieces of redstone and a stick in the middle? I don't think we need power rails at the moment. I can look that up outside of a video, so I'll be okay. But we need red power rails though. That's not it. Would it go like that? Like that? And then like that? And then like that? And then like that? I don't know, but let's start making a roller coaster, shall we? So I think it should come out from here. So if we come down and then do this like that, and then it goes up, and then it goes up again, and then it goes up this chicken coop little thing. So if it goes like that, and then it goes like that, but then like this. Wait, it needs to go like this. And then you can see all our little chickens and how they're doing. And then you can go like that, and then like that. And then you can fly over their house. But you'll have to go one more, so it'll go like this, and then like this, and then like this. So you can see all of the house. It'll be pretty cool. Let's get rid of this. No, it wasn't that, was it? No, we want that, Let's keep that. But we want to break that. There we go. And then we can come up here, but then obviously break that. Oh, I fooled you, little chicken. I fooled you. I fooled him. He thought it was going to come up. There we go. So you can see over our chicken a little bit. It's going to be like a tour of my house, basically. Then you come over here, and then it'll be coming over here. So it'll be flying, and then you'll be going around here. We want to make it so you get to a different part of my house. So I'll start building a different part of my house, but this time I'll be on the floor. So it goes all the way over here. Let's see how much how far it is. I think we should do it so it comes out here, so it goes this, and then it, yeah, so it goes, I don't know whether it should be on the floor or up in the sky, this half of my house. There we go. And then we can go all the way over here. And this is gonna be our little roller coaster. So I don't think we should add the rails in right now, because I think that'll be wasting. I think we should break this step. Oh god, I have the hiccups. And we can go in here, and then we can make a little doorway that leads you to. No, what am I doing? We don't want that. We want to get rid of this. And then we have a little door, and then we can put that door there, and then how is it gonna? I think we should break it so it goes like that, and then it goes like this, and then it goes like that. Oh, yeah, that could work, couldn't it? So you go up here and then you go normal. But we don't want this here, do we? We want it to go like that. And then break. Sorry. And then break that. So it just goes, to the side. So you go up and then across here. Yeah, that could work. That's fine. And then I could make a shortcut like, wee, hello little chickens. But obviously I'm going to break this, and now I should put an egg here. There we go, that's more like it. Oh, we have a new addition to the family. Okay, where should I put it? It can sleep with Little Pip, and we need to break this sign. So it sleeps with Little Pip, I think. So it'll be Little Pip. And what should we call it? It came out the egg fast, so I think we should call it an little speed. No, a little speed. Sorry, I was gonna say that I was gonna sneeze, but I couldn't. Little Pip. No, let's call it Sneeze, because I sneezed thinking of the name. So Sneeze. Little Sneeze, sisters, and then do that, and then there we go. They share it together. Oh, and you're already enjoying the little thing. Oh, look, Mummy's come to greet it. It's all so happy. Look, Mr. Waves, aren't you gonna come and see your little pet? Oh. No? Come on, you can come and sit. Look, they're all swimming. Come on. No, don't go back in your little thing. Right, don't worry then. Be a sport. But I hope you enjoy your new addition to the family, chickens. Did it just die? Please don't say it didn't drown. Little Sneeze, she died. Why did she have to do it so soon? Why did she have to die so soon? That was she. We need to have a flower down here. We need to have a ceremony, everyone. Don't you worry. I'll go and get some flowers. we'll just have to go and we'll just what was her favourite thing? Her favourite thing was water. There we go. So we'll make a bucket of water, and then we can put it in the item frame instead, and then because that was where she died. So she loved water. She died doing what she loved. So I think we should get that egg out. And we should do that, and then we can crack this egg. Hopefully she'll be reborn. No. And then we could do a sign saying in memory of blah blah blah. Okay. Let's do a sign, shall we? So let's do that, and then let's do that, and then let's crack this egg, and then we can have a little sign saying in memory. So in memory of little Sneeze, who loved water, died so soon. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, I must say that's sad. Okay, let's take a moment of silence. Let's drop. Come on, everybody. Let's take a moment of silence. Come on, we need to. Everyone can see the sign. There we go. That was a moment of silence. That was pretty awkward. And what's this coming up? No, I don't want that. Cancel that. I don't want that. Right. That was a pretty awkward moment because it was really silent. Well, I hope you get over it very quickly. And she hasn't run away, has she? I don't know. I think she drowned in the water. That's a sad moment, but I'm sure you'll get over it. Let's carry on building this house then, shall we? Do you know what? It's too sad. It's too sad to carry on working. I will have to see you later. I'm gonna have to end the episode here because it's just too sad. Let's go and see if we can get another little baby before the episode ends, shall we? There we go. Come on, we can get a new baby. No, he didn't get a new one. It's okay though, chickens. It's okay. You're okay. You're fine. Let's just go and put all my things away in this chest. And we want those arrows. We want those things actually. Let's go in here. Let's go and put our things in this chest instead. And let's have a shower quickly in this water. La 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 la. And I'll say goodbye to you here. Bye.